In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage multiple businesses in one subscription, QuickBooks Online. If you run multiple ventures under the same umbrella and want clear, separate reporting without paying for extra companies, the locations feature in QuickBooks Online is your best friend. We'll turn it on, set the label to business, and make sure your forms and reports can be organized by each business you operate. Start in QuickBooks Online and click the settings icon, the small gear in the top right corner of your screen. From the menu that opens, choose Account and Settings. This is where you control the backbone of how your company file behaves, so it's the right place to switch on powerful tracking features. On the left side, select Advanced. This section is designed for preferences that affect how data is captured and reported. Next, find the Categories area. Categories include options like classes and locations, tools that let you slice your books by segments. For managing multiple businesses inside one subscription, locations is the cleanest approach. Turn on Track Locations. By enabling this, you'll add a location field to your sales forms, expenses, bills, and more, so every transaction can be tagged to a specific business. Right away, you'll also unlock report filters that let you view results by location, making it much easier to compare performance and keep each business's activity straight. Before saving, click the location label setting. This controls the word you and your team will see on forms. Choose business as the label. Using business keeps the intent crystal clear for everyone entering transactions and helps avoid confusion with physical addresses or departments. Clear labels reduce mistakes and save cleanup time later. Now click Save. That's it for setup. From here on, when you create invoices, expenses, checks, or journal entries, you'll see a business field. Select the correct business on each transaction to keep your books organized. When you run reports like profit and loss, you'll be able to filter or group by business to see how each one is doing. A few quick tips. Make naming consistent and intuitive, so your team always picks the right option. Apply a business on every transaction. Gaps create mixed results and messy reports. Remember, all businesses in one subscription share the same chart of accounts, users, bank connections, and settings. So this method is best for operations you're comfortable tracking together. With locations labeled as business, you can confidently manage multiple businesses in one subscription and get clear, actionable insights without extra cost.